So it's not like a Photoshop tutorial or anything, just for us to get things started over here. I would want to have my canvas as a portrait, landscape, I mean. But now we have our height very long. I would want to rotate this. So just click over here on this canvas. So this portrait and landscape, and just press proceed. Sweet. If you can't see this properties over here, you can go to image and go to canvas size, and then you can just change that over here. Same process. Cool. We have that, and I'm using my Wacom tablet to do the sketch. So we're gonna be just doing a side view of a creature, very rough. What do we need? We need a brush tool. Go over here to the brush, or just press B, and you should have your, for the opacity, if you want to control the opacity with your tablet, like so. Kind of works for me. So let's undo that. I normally work with layers, so create a new layer where we will start over there. So start by blocking out the basic silhouette of the head. Just looking at this, these heads and stuff. So basically, what we're doing is just mixing the pig or the boa and a human creature. I know it doesn't make sense for now, but then this is basically the look we kind of will be like going for. Just move this layer up. I think I've used more space. Press V, and then just move this a bit. Hold down Shift, move upwards like so. Press B again for the brush tool. We should be back on it. And it's just the hind legs. So if you can't sketch or anything, you can just grab all these references and just try to combine them together. But then just it doesn't have to be like a perfect sketch or anything. It's just for us to get like an outline for our model, like so. And I'll just do the head also, the head creature. Okay, and the nose, like so. And over here, I'll just probably just wing it and see how it works. Just try with the body, so the belly, like a bigger chest, and then obviously the arms, making them bigger, just that it looks like more bulky, and the triceps, making them more pronounced, if I may say. You can see just giving it that human arm, like that. Or I can just make this straight, so I can, let me see if I can do that. Undo, Control Z or Command Z, press B again on your keyboard. Let's just see if I make this straight, how will this look? And that. And just give it that jaw like that. And those eyes, just giving it them. I know it doesn't look anything angry for now. and then the horns will come out of here. Like so. Ever so rough, just a rough layout. And on the side, these horns, and some for the mouth also inside the mouth. Like you know pale pigs or stuff, and I'll probably add one over here. So this is just a rough sketch of our creature over here and our tail, and then we'll give it some fur at the very end over here. So it's just a side view. Still haven't decided on how we're gonna do the legs, but then it's all like a process. So we have our deltoid and our biceps, and then triceps over here. Just coming in ever so slightly. Probably do the other side also. That's who have the fur. Just coming in. Could make this a bit more bulky, but then we'll adjust that in the 3D software. Just for us to get this rough sketch, I believe it's very crucial and very useful once we're doing the blockouts on our piece. So yeah, this should work fine. Let me just see this basic sketch that we will import in Blender, and we'll start with the modeling and sculpting of our creature. So yeah, sweet. If you guys don't understand it again how to do any sketches, just play around with looking at more reference, or just use reference entirely, just mixing humans or any creature you want, or mixing animals you want. There's tons of references online. Just search for creatures and you should get all these examples available for you guys. So yeah, sweet, and thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.